out of the house for a month. I didn't see you. Yo. Oh, come here. Let's go and eat. I have some food. Hello, guys. Look who's here. He's Tintin. Oop. Oh, I put all the food. Look, go eat. Oh, I miss him so much. Since more than a month I don't see this guy. I'm so happy that he comes today and see me and asking me for food as always. Hi, buddy, I miss you. I'm happy that you're okay. Oh, well, even if he just come for food, I'm happy with it. I love this guy. I missed him. Good job, buddy. Lovely. So happy to see you again.